All right, good day everybody. I have to apologize for my sinus infection here. I've got a cold. Luckily tested negative for COVID. Apparently have the flu instead. So I'm gonna try to do this the best I can. I don't have a hardwood exotic store near me anywhere. All my box stores have near me are red oak. You can get an oak stair tread and cut it down, or you can get a poplar. So basically I went online, I went to Amazon, found 2 or 3 stores and bought some wood from each one of them so I could do a quick review on them and see which one comes in best. Now I've bought wood from Barrington and woodchucks before. This is like an exotic, something I'll tell you the name of it in a second. First time I bought from them. So I just want to show you how the products came wrapped to make me help you with your purchases in the future. All right, so the first one came from Exotic Wood Zone. Now, the description online said it was 3/4 inch. I believe it said sanded 3/4 inch. This board, if it's sanded, it's a 40 grit. It feels like it came straight through the planer. However, they milled it down and straight out. It also says it's kiln dried. But looking at the end of it, either the box got wet during shipping, which is possible because you can see the condition of the box, or that's just sap or water soaking from where it's been sitting in a corner or stacked up. I don't know that these are kiln dried. They don't feel dry to me. If they're dry, I don't know how long they got dried. I don't know if they were dried properly. They sound like they're hard. They feel good. The board actually looks good. It's got a nice pattern to it, but they came in this little flimsy box. No extra padding. Not that you need to really pad wood, but if you're going to make cutting boards or something out of it, if they don't ship it properly, by the time you get it, unless you've got a planer and a jointer, you're going to have a hard time putting this stuff together. So the second one is Barrington Hardwoods LLC. I've bought from them before. This is the first time I've bought a variety pack like this. It's got 2 zebra woods, I believe 2 cherry, 2 maple, and 2 paddock. This board, compared to this board, these are dried, these are smooth. I don't know if they're jointed and plain, but as you can see, they're pretty darn close. If you didn't have a joiner or a planer, a couple of them need ran through a jointer just to make sure they're smooth. But you could probably cut these and get enough out of these. If you had a big enough or a strong enough clamp, you could probably clamp these together and make them work. I always run them through a jointer anyhow, just to make sure. But either way, these are pretty close to being finished and ready to use pieces of wood. Now I have had a couple from them in the past. Again, like I said, they're not all 100% perfect. And the different species of wood kind of varies a little bit. Most of the time, all the quality has been good. I've bought probably 3 or 4 orders from them, and I don't think I've had a defective or damaged piece of wood yet. All right, so there's the woodchucks unboxed. As you can see, it's about the same quality as the Barrington. Again, same issue here. They're going to need jointed. These are pretty close. I mean, some of them are perfect. Some of them are off just a little bit here and there. But the Barrington and the woodchucks, both good quality. I would buy both of these again. The exotic woods, not so much. Again, I don't know that that's kiln dried. I don't know that it's a good looking wood, but I'm gonna leave it sitting probably in the shop for 6 months before I use it. Either way, hope that helps you make some decisions if you're buying something. Again, these are 3/4 by 24 by 2 inch. So good for charcuterie boards, cutting boards, whatever else you're gonna make.